Hello all, welcome to Informatica Global Customer Support. I am Saravanan here. So I'm going to present in this video on how to set log severity level in the managed file transfer application, which is commonly called as VL Trader application or the MFT application. So let's get into the agenda. So the agenda of the video would be when the debugging of MFT is required. So basically on how to set the error severity level and what are the components where we can set these logs and where to look for the log files. So basically when the application has any issues, runtime issues or intermittent issues, it is required that we collect debug information of the managed file transfer application so that we get in-depth details. So on these cases we would turn on debug mode of logging. So now we'll get into the deep dive of how actually to set in the MFT console and then look for the logs path and its files. So as you can see here, this is the MFT console, and here in order to enable logging the log level, we need to go to configure and click on the options, and there we get general messages tab, database. We are more concerned about messages tab with respect to the log levels. So here, as you can see, these are the settings we need to set. The system debug level, include debug options in the system log file. The system message level. So so basically, as you can see here, we have essential, low, medium, high, and then if you go to the system debug level, again it goes to fatal, error, warning, info, debug, trace, all. And if we come to the debug options, we have database to debug, HTTP to debug, and there are many other things, system level debugging, MQ level debugging, all those things are all there. So now if we need to troubleshoot an issue, we certainly need to set high tracing, which means debug mode of logging is essential. So we set high here, the system message level set to high, and then system debug level to debug. And then as per what we are going to debug, if it is database related issue, DB could be enabled, and then if it is local listener related issue, HTTP could be enabled. So it depends on what you are going to troubleshoot, MQ, all those things. And also you can select the maximum size of these files to 1 GB or whatever is intended to. So once these settings are made, you can click on OK, and so after the logs the debug logging is enabled and the issue is reproduced, we could go to this path. It relatively varies for every customer's installation. So here I have installed it on DX910 folder of D drive, and in a managed drive transfer folder logs. So under that, if you can see, these are the log files that contains the information that we need for debugging. So once this issue is reproduced, we can collect these logs. Alternate way of collecting is to get the MFT bundle, which actually fetches these logs and zips it, and it gives us a file which can be sent to the support for debugging. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was much informative. We look to hear from you. Please write to supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can tweet us at InfoSupport. Thank you for watching.